Tents all around, and that is our new church. Ha? Hindi din to. Wala ako ka kadumdum, wala ako ka ano. Mayla, mabaka lang kami to. Mabaka lang kami to.
Hindi ka na sana magdatas ron. Hindi ka na magdatas. Ben? Hindi ka
Ben,
na.
big boy already.
Di ka
Big
na
boy
magdatas?
already, right? Ah, big muscle, ha?
Lang
Muscle, ha?
Oh. Ikaw ti water.
Big muscle. Bugoy. Ha? Oh, handsome boy. Handsome.
Kul ay tanan. Ayun na, tricycle na.
Oh, service is coming.
Motor ka na eh.
Motor ako.
Sakto naman niya ka na.
Kita mo sila ka nga. Bulit. Short na ka.
Hindi naman, sakay lang naman.
Sakay naman ko dyan. We're going to cemetery. Rice field. It's the rice fields. Going there.
Yung bundok ko, walang bundok sa atin eh.
See? Mountain. Here's the mountain. There's so many houses already here. This is the way going to the town. Straight going there. Then this way is going to school, to our school. There. Maybe we will walk 15 minutes because children's steps are only small steps, so it takes so long. But now maybe 5 minutes or 7 minutes we will reach already the school plants. Transportation here in the Bayo. Tricycle. We call it tricycle. You see, there's so many vegetables here. Ay, Nini, batay mo mga bata. May jeep ba? May ano. There's so many medicinal plants also. You see, I saw this. Some other things there, medicinal plants. And then there's kangkong. That is vegetable. That's the very slippery one. Tractor, because harvest. Planting season already, June. Time to plant rice again. Time to plant rice. Here the mountain. Before, when I was a little girl, we go there. There in this mountain. There I will ride the motorbike for the first time. You see.
Apa na video sa? Boy, karoy mo.
Ngaluya.
Ngaluya at mo pa na.
Diyan ka lang kaya, Tia?
Bakit po?
Saan helmet ko?
Ay. May doon tayo sa tricycle. Saan ka lang ko? Yan o, ito yan. Helmet. Maroad trip daw, maroad trip. Maroad trip. Tapos, ay, Mami, ano tayo sa tricycle? Wala ko, ulihin tayo ng pulis. Ha?
Dali lang.
Baliskan, Pam.
Ha? Paano baliskan?
Yang gan.
Ja.
Wait lang. Sakay na lang. Eto, si Dunggali. Ano daw?
Bata.
Ano daw? Dali lang, magtatapos daw. Tapos likod. Dapat naka-front ko.
Si my driver.
Naka-front, naka-back camera ko kung mag-video ko sa...
Paano yung mag-back camera? Hindi man yan mag-back camera. Camera yan.
I-ano mo na, i-post mo, i-ano mo na, stop.
Tapos?
Stop mo na yung pula.
Tapos?
Pula.
Tapos?
Stop.
5 minutes. 5
Stop.
minutes lang. Oh, para makita ko sa likod. Bye-bye!
Ito tamyapo lamang. Pulsa halang. Oh, paloy-aloy ka pagali.
Di na ako makaputin. Di ako. Dali eh.
Dahil naman